Hey y'all, what is up YouTube? Sparky Marky Mark, and I'm back to do a review and unboxing of a certain item. And yo, what do we have here, y'all? What do we have here? So enough chit chat. Let's see what's inside. And also, go to the man cave. Like now. Alrighty, y'all. So, what exactly was in there? And it is from 1994, but what is it? What is it? It's this. Even though it didn't came in an original box or whatever it came in, at least to know it's like new. This is a good piece. And this is what it looks like. This is a Timex Atlantis 100. Now, if anybody remembers telling me about the autograph from Brad Harton, if you guys heard me talk about Brad Harton, he was the gentleman that was the makeup effects artist, and of course, worked in low-budget movies, Roger Corman features, if anybody's familiar with, and if anybody remembers behind-the-scenes photos from, say, let's just say, hold on, from such films like Halloween 6, if anybody remembers the guy breaking the neck on the truck driver in the opening, which was the reshoots for Halloween 6. This watch was on, I believe this could have been the watch that was in the wrist of Brad Harton during the making of Halloween 6. And as well as the H2O behind the scenes of testing the mask. So right here is B7. Okay, so this was released during July of 1994. Exactly. July, B stands for 1994, and the 7 is July. So this was released around July of 1994. My cousin was about 6 months old, and I was about 3. And my buddy Carlos was about 7 months old, and some of my homies, my other homie was about, let's say, 7 months old as well. Coincidence right there. So yeah, and a buddy of mine was about a few months old, approximately 8 months old. So yeah. So this is what it looked like in the 90s. I might insert an image in this. I'm not so sure. Maybe. Not so sure. So let's look at the details. You got your date. You got your chronos. And it does split. Let's take a look at it. Okay. Then you're done. Okay. Chrono, alarm 1. There's the vibrator, and then there's the alarm sound. You can turn that off. 24-hour countdown timer, my personal favorite. You could customize this yourself. And you're back to your home time. Let me see if this has an all-day Indiglo, but nah, I doubtedly. No, it does not. So yeah, there it is. Here's a LAN on the buckle. So yeah, very, very good. You could like leave it flat on the table. So admiring from this piece from, say, 28 years ago. Yeah, this is 28 years ago, y'all. Wow. Actually, did I say that? No, 29 years ago. So yeah, they got to bring back some Atlantis back, some Timex Atlantis, make it more rugged than this. And like how this doesn't have like a module thing. No, it doesn't. So yeah, folks, very unique piece. Very, very unique in its own way. So again, that B7 is the date code. 1994 in July. July 1994. Let's be clear with that, folks. So enough chit-chat. Let's play the music from 1994. What music should I pick from that year? Let's see and hear, y'all. And shall we go? Alrighty, y'all. So with all that stuff out of the way and stuff, even if you like something like this watch or anything, let me know, of course, if anybody had one of these or still has, even the one from the 80s, which is kind of very hard to find and rare and pre-owned, or it's seen better days kind of thing. And as well as any watches any of yous that were born in the 80s or the 70s would remember the 90s. So yeah, if any of yous have it, let me know if you did, and talk about 1994. What were you doing that era and other things? Like I myself, again, I was a 3-year-old. And as you heard me mention, yes, Brad Horton, I believe, wore this particular one during the behind the scenes of Curse of Michael Myers in H2O. So yeah, well, enough chit chat, y'all. Let's go to the music from 1994. And this is the Dub of Doom version of Push the Feeling On by Nightcrawler. So enjoy, y'all. Alrighty. That was Nightcrawlers with the dub, D-U-B, the dub of Doom, Push the Feeling On, by Nightcrawlers. So yeah, big hit from in the summer of 1994. So, sorry about that. So anyways, let me know what you're doing in 1994. And also, if you like videos like this, click the bell and the subscribe button to be notified of all new uploads. Like the videos. If you have any opinions, comments down below. And also, if you guys want anything else, links are in the description box down below for anything. And as well as for April 6th, Kane Hodder private signings will be ending on April 6th, y'all. So better get some pre-orders while you can. Link is in the description box down below. And more updates will be coming on soon from either CPA, CSR, or Minchi Authentics, or whatever you guys want. To those who are autograph collectors. And anything else. So I'm also in the YouTube community, so yeah, I'm often posting what time do I post my videos on a certain date. So yeah, it's going to be in the afternoon hours, or in the evening hours. And what else? So yeah, keep you posted of anything else. Again, I'm in the YouTube community. So anyways, y'all, that's all there is to know. So y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Catch you on the next vid. Oh, sorry for that little coochie coo in my throat. And enjoy Thursday, everyone. And that's not the right date. I gotta change it. So be safe out there. Take care. God bless you. And enjoy Wednesday. Hear you and see you on the next vid. Later, y'all.